That's pretty cool. Today, we're going to replace the steering head bearing. We got a little bit of um, roughness, I guess you could say, or play in this. So we're going to be replacing that. We got the steering head bearing kit from Drag Specialties off of JMP Cycles website. And that's pretty much it. Jarvis, stop recording.
First thing we're going to do is go ahead and start tearing down the handlebars, headlight. We're going to get these front forks off. That way we can go ahead and start working on the fork stem bearings. All right, now that we're done, we're gonna go press this bearing out. That way we can put the new one in. Know what I'm saying, Trey?
Yes.
No, you really.
Oh, okay.
I am on motorcycles. I could have done that with my hands, dude.
Yeah, I bet so.
Pretty easy.
Think there's some tension on that thing?
Not really.
It sounded like there was.
good enough for me.
Red, you're on.
Oh, thanks, buddy. I forgot to record putting the triple clamp back in, but it's in.
See,
Now we're putting everything back together. I'll have to adjust that when we set it down, figure out. Yeah,
they have such big muscles.
dude, I look small as crap on camera compared to you.
You do. Yep, you look how I look to you now.
Yeah, he did strip it on
Do what?
Kind of stripped that top
Oh, yeah. Yeah, really bad.
after you told him 10 times.
Yeah, like, I felt like I was very specific. Also, when I said, no, don't, not yet.
Yeah.
Get it in there, and you just get, okay. Where's some more? All right, now we're going to go ahead and look up the torque specs for the clamp bolts, and we'll get them clamped down. All right, so now I've got the bike put back together. Didn't really get to video a lot of it because Jaden was on a phone call with his work, but got everything put back together. Follow away angle's good. I think the only next thing I have to do to this bike is rebuild the forks, which is no big deal, but that's definitely going to need to be done. But for now, I'm going to let Jaden take it for a ride and make sure everything's better.